Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. I hope you are having a fantastic afternoon. This is obviously a little bit of a bonus video today, but I had to let you guys know about the City Beauty site-wide 40% off Black Friday sale that is kicking off today on November 26th. This sale is running until December 4th, so you've got a few days to shop. But when I say that absolutely everything is 40% off on the website, I mean everything is 40% off, including their curated bundles. So if there is anything that you are either needing to stock up on, and honestly, I wait for these big sales to come around each year to stock up on my personal favorites, or whether you've had a cart going with maybe a couple of newer items, but you haven't hit that purchase button yet because you've been waiting for a sale, here's your chance. This is a really incredible sale. And like I said, this is the sale that I use to stock up on my personal favorites. I'm gonna give you guys 4 of my favorite products that I personally typically stock up on during these sales. I could honestly probably do a top 10 favorites when it comes to City Beauty. This really is one of my favorite skincare companies, and I think they have a lot of really great items. They are a little bit more pricey, I will admit that, but I think the products are absolutely effective and they have worked really, really well for my skin. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys just 4 recommendations today. I don't think you're gonna be surprised by the first 2. You might be surprised by the second 2. I'll go ahead and list these in the description box as well if you'd like to go read up more about them yourself. I will have the key ingredients going across the screen here in a little ticker as I am discussing my experience with each of these products. So let's go ahead and get started. You're not going to be surprised by this first one. It's the Complete Skin Restore. Listen, you guys, I actually had the opportunity to partake in the development of this particular product with City Beauty. I've been a partner with City Beauty for many years, and they reached out to several of the people that are partners with them and asked if we would be willing to be on a panel to test these items, these newer items from them. I was selected to participate in this panel, and it was a really great opportunity to see how a company develops a product like this. So they gave us a 3-month supply to be able to test out. That 3-month supply really started to change my hair. So as soon as this product was launched by City Beauty officially on their website in October of 2020, I immediately started buying the supplements and taking them every single day. And since 2020, I have basically taken these almost every single day for years, and it has been such a game changer. Not only for my skin, but mainly my nails and my hair. Listen, I don't know what the deal was, but up until I started taking these supplements, I had taken lots of other like hair, skin, and nail supplements in the past, and I never really had very good results with them. I was using them consistently, but I really didn't notice anything. When I started taking these, my hair started growing past my collarbone. This is honestly the longest that my hair has been like for much of my life. For whatever reason, it would basically grow to just below my chin, and then it just wouldn't grow very much at all, or it was like really, really slow. It was painful trying to grow my hair out. And so I just always kept it in a short bob. And finally, when I started taking these supplements, my hair started growing, and I am in love with my hair now. It is naturally gray. If you're new here, I do just embrace my natural gray hair color. I think that also obviously helps with the overall health of my hair. But these supplements give me a lot of really great length. I think they have helped to improve the overall volume of my hair. I just feel like my hair grows in so much better than it ever has in the past. And I have been on a little bit of a hair journey for the last year or so. I did have an incident where I started losing my hair about a year ago. I was severely iron deficient. I did not know that until I had a blood test done, figured that out. now that I'm on an iron supplement, my hair is back to normal, and I've regrown a lot of the hair that I lost with the use of minoxidil, these supplements, and just really trying to be as gentle as possible with my hair. So, but I really credit these with the overall health of my hair, as well as how fast my nails grow. I am a florist, that's my day job, and my hands are constantly in and out of water. So my nails can get pretty weak, just, you know, washing my hands frequently, the chemicals, the water, all of that stuff. It's really not good for your nails. But these supplements help to keep my nails strong and healthy, and they grow a lot faster than I would like them to. I have to cut my nails very frequently. When I'm working, I don't like having long nails. I did take some time off as a florist for a couple of years, and during that time, I, you know, started getting manicures, and my nails look so nice, but at this point, I'm just back to leaving them plain, but they still grow like nobody's business. So this is actually, I think I have 1 or 2 more bottles downstairs, but this is all that I have left in this bottle here, just 2 pills. So I'll be ordering during this sale, just so you know. All right, next are my beloved, I love these sheet masks. Listen, these are so extra. You don't need a sheet mask, but I love these. Like I said, I've been buying these for years. These are the line smoothing HydroMasks. These are definitely spendy for the pack of 5. I haven't even opened these yet. Man, I love opening a new box. This also has like that soft touch finish, which I really like the feel of that. But anyway, they obviously come in these individual sachets here. And this is the most hydrating, soothing mask that I've ever used. I like to leave these on my face for about a half hour. I will use them as a part of my like Sunday self-care routine. I'll typically soak my feet and do like a little at-home pedicure situation. Pop one of these on while I'm doing my little at-home pedicure, and I just sort of pamper myself. The moisture surge that I get from this is so intense. It just feels so good on the skin. If I'm dealing with any irritation or dryness, it's almost immediately cured after putting one of these masks on. So as extra as they are, and as technically unnecessary as they are, this has been my once a week treat for a very long time. And you know what? No regrets. If I space them out at once a week, they're not quite as outrageous, but again, the best time to pick up a box of these would definitely be during the sale here. So these contain a ton of peptides as well as hyaluronic acid, great ingredients, and just a fun little extra that honestly I splurge on quite a bit. Okay, let's go to the 2 items that you might be a little more surprised by. The first is, it's one of their lip products, but it's not City Lips. Listen, I love the City Lips. They have amazing colors. I love that thicker formulation, but this is their City Lips Night Oil. When they introduced this, game changer. This is my 3rd tube of this already. The first one was sent to me in PR. The subsequent 2 that I've used, I've purchased myself. This oil, oh my gosh, this is actually all that I have on my lips right now. I don't have any gloss or anything else. It's just this, no lipstick. I could just glide this wand over my lips all day long. I love the texture of this oil. You can tell that it absorbs into the lips. It basically kind of plumps my lips up a little bit with that surge of moisture. And if you're dealing with chapped lips, this is what you need. This immediately, even Stella, so Stella likes to lick her lips. It's one of her little things that she does in school when she gets nervous, is she licks her lips a lot and she will bite on her lips. And so she'll come home sometimes and her poor lips are so chapped, they're so dry. I give her some of this to put on and she says that it immediately just makes her lips feel better. And I can tell just by looking at them, they look a lot less angry. So I'm trying to get her to break that habit. But I mean, I've given her, you know, like the Aquaphor and other stuff. It is not nearly as soothing and hydrating as this is. If you have severely dry winter lips, I'm telling you, this is so worth investing in. Absolutely incredible. Okay, the last product. This is somewhat newer to them. I think this is only my second bottle of it, but I fell in love with the first bottle, so I did repurchase it after I finished it. This is their concentrated youth serum. Now, specifically, I have been using this on my neck. Obviously, we should all be bringing all of our skincare down from our face onto our neck. Please don't ignore your poor neck. For a lot of years, however, when I started this skincare journey, I did ignore my neck. I was like, who cares, right? It's fine. Yeah, it does matter. It's gonna start showing its age at some point. So just bring everything down. Treat it as, you know, like a part of your face, essentially. But one of the things that I really struggle with on my neck is I'm on my phone a lot during the day, and I will look down, and this has definitely caused some lines to develop in my neck, and that's annoying. I try really hard not to do that. I catch myself doing it all the time, and that is literally where these lines are from. But this particular serum, when I started using this on the lines on my neck, I noticed that there was an immediate kind of almost plumping effect. I will use this on my face as well. I'm not like above, you know, like using it on my face. Like I don't just use it on my neck, but this is where I've noticed the biggest difference for me personally. And this is probably the area that still has, you know, some progress that can be made. I kind of feel like I've gotten my face to as good of a place as I can get it for my age, which by the way, I'm 46 if you're new here. So I'm happy with where my face is at, but my neck, I still have some work to do there. And I noticed a difference from this. After the first bottle, I was like, I really like what this did. I'm gonna order it again. So I'm still using it now. I will use it every single evening, and I just do this kind of nice little neck massage. Now there's another neck serum that I also have incorporated that I think is giving me some additional benefits as well, and we'll discuss that one coming up here soon. But this one here, definite game changer for my neck overall, and it really does help to plump the look of these lines up so that they don't look quite as deep and as harsh as they were getting to be there for a while. So yeah, lots of great ingredients in here, just overall, you know, for the entire face and neck area. But where I started noticing the biggest difference, like I said, is specifically on my neck. So that made me definitely repurchase this very quickly. The ingredients and the effect that this has had were definite game changers for me. So absolutely worth investing in this one. These are my top 4 personal recommendations if you're in the market. Happy shopping if you choose to partake. No pressure for me. I just like to let you guys know about these sales just in case you are in the market. And I know a lot of you have gotten hooked on the Complete Skin Restore alongside with me. So if you need to purchase a few months worth at a bigger discount than my usual 15% off, I would say stock up now. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.